Hey guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at Simplii Financial and how to put money in there. So we're going to transfer some money and it's actually extremely easy. Alright, so on your left hand side on the bottom you're going to see this. Transfer money. So you don't want to transfer money between accounts because you have no money. We're transferring money in here. So we can transfer bank to bank or we can just tap right here where I'm going to show you in a second. So under your savings account or your checking account you're going to see this, add money. Just tap there. Now it doesn't really matter which option you chose to do this from. It's exact same thing. It's going to take you here. So add funds. So this is the way that you guys want to do this. So let's just go on and tap there. So keep in mind that you can also add funds just by doing e-transfer. So you can also do that, but that's usually for small amounts. Once you guys want to take out big funds or put in big funds, this is the way to do it. It's just much easier. But also you guys can do big amounts. So $100,000, for example, this tells you right here. You can do up to that much and it only takes 1 to 3 days. But again, if you're just putting $100 or so, go on and do the e-transfer way. That's going to be quicker technically. But if you guys want to get this set up, and you guys can still do small amounts such as $100, this is the way to do it. Anyways, we're just going to tap on next on the bottom. All right, so right here, they basically need all your information to do this. That's obvious. So we have to check right here on this box to agree with all the terms. You guys can go ahead and read them, but it's the only way to do this. So let's just tap on agree. Then you have to choose which bank you guys want to move funds from. So this is from that account to this account. So it can be any one of these. It does include Tangerine, which is one of my favorites as well. And there's a bunch down here. So there's actually quite a few options. And if your institution's not here, you guys can just tap here. But most likely it's going to be here because this includes a lot of online accounts as well. And you guys can see there's almost unlimited options. Anyways, we're just going to click on TD for now. And regardless which option you guys chose, whichever bank, you're going to see the screen. Just have to click on connect. Then it's going to ask you for your username, card number, plus your password. That's for that financial institution. So if it's from TD, Scotiabank, whichever other bank that is, just put that information here and then press on continue. Once you press on complete, it's just going to verify your credentials and it's going to connect up. This will take a minute or two. All right, so from here, obviously they have to verify your identity. So you can just go on and just press on have verified. That's if you got that notice on your bank app. So whichever bank that is, just open up that bank app. So that could be the TD app, Scotiabank app, and you're going to see a little thing saying that if that's you trying to get in there. So just make sure that you've done that. If you didn't get a notification, just tap here on the bottom. But ideally, you want to get that verification. So we got it. So we're going to press on I have verified. And it's just going to verify your identity. So it's going to keep going. Okay, then it's going to ask you which account would you like to connect. So you could see a few or just one. For me, it's just one. We're going to tap on continue. And here we go. It's going to connect up. You might have to try this twice, by the way, because it does time out sometimes. And just try again. Most likely on the second try, it's going to work. Just have your app with you. Okay, so from here, you just have to set up your deposit. So it's going to save from your bank account that you have. For example, TD, it could be any other one. And then to this bank account, which is Simplii. So we're going to go on and just type in, let's say, $200 just to start off. And then on the bottom, you're going to see continue. So just tap on continue. All right, so from there, just tap on continue on the bottom right side. It's just going to ask you if everything's correct. So make sure your bank account's correct. Most of the stuff will be correct because you're already connected up. So just tap on continue again. All right, so from here, you're going to see this. Sign in and accept the pre-authorized debit. That's exactly what we're doing. It's a pre-authorized debit, but we're just doing the one time. We're not setting this up for every month or anything like that. And then we're going to go on and digitally sign and accept. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. All right, so from here, that's it. That's all you guys had to do. Your account has been successfully funded. Sometimes it does time out. So it might ask you to sign back in, but once you sign back in, you're supposed to see this regardless. On the bottom, you're going to see this. Your funds will arrive 1 to 3 business days, most likely way faster than that. Then go into your account summary and we're basically all done. So right now it's just a waiting game, but you're all done. We're all done with the setup. Now you can move money easily throughout your account. And that's not just with Simplii Financial, but any other financial account that uses these services. And as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, just comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.